Hi everyone, it's Eric from Volvo Cars Lakeridge again. I'm currently sitting inside our 2019 V60 T6 Momentum with POLESTAR. I'm going to give you guys a short little walk around of the car and show you guys what it has. So without further ado, let's go take a look. Alright guys, so starting with the exterior here, we have it finished in the Onyx Black. Beautiful Thor's Hammer headlights. It's got the upgraded 19-inch wheels, genuine alloys, beautiful silver as well, contrast to the black. We have the electric folding mirrors as well, keyless entry all around. And if we take a look at the back here, you'll see that it has the T6 engine, which is a supercharged and turbocharged inline four, but it also has POLESTAR. So I heard a story once about a guy who ended up racing a BMW M235i in one of these things, and he ended up beating it, to show you what kind of power this thing has for that get up and go. Amazing trunk in the back that I'll show you in a second as well. It really is the perfect all-around car. So let's go check out the interior now. So taking a look on the inside here, we have the genuine leather seats here, finished in the charcoal. You have your lumbar support as well as your powered seats on both sides. Let's take a seat inside and you'll see the beautiful aluminium inlays. Full touchscreen, just like any other Volvo. Then we have our center display with the map in the middle. This one does have, I'll show you here, the 360 camera, which you could solo out different views, including the front one, which is good for seeing around corners if you need to. Side ones, which is perfect for parallel parking. It's got the dual zone climate in the front, but it's also got the touchscreen in the back for the rear passengers, so totaling 4-zone climate. You'll see the rear seats, excellent condition. Full panoramic sunroof with a beautiful shade as well that lets in just a little bit of natural light. Frameless mirror. And now let's go check out the trunk. All right, so taking a look back here, you'll see you have a massive trunk, even bigger than most SUVs that are out there. You have your 70-30 split with a ski pass-through in the middle, so you can load anything you need. We have the power folding rear seats as well, so you just hold this button here and the seats fold down flat. All right guys, so that's a quick look at our certified pre-owned V60. Some things I like to mention is that part of our certified pre-owned program, you get new car interest rates, you get a 6-year 160 full comprehensive Volvo warranty from in-service date. If you want to know more about the car, please pay us a visit here at 260 Achilles Road or visit us at volvocarslakeridge.com. Thank you, have a great day, bye for now.